Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're covering 10 digital product ideas you can sell in 2025, even if you have no experience. We're talking about real, profitable ideas you can start with zero inventory and zero shipping. No design degree, coding skills, or huge following required. Anyone can start making money online. In this video, I'll show you exactly what each product is, why it works, which platform to sell on, and how you can get started today. All the tools I mentioned are linked in the description below, so you can start instantly after watching. Let's get into it. First, let's quickly talk about why digital products are the future of side hustles. Unlike physical goods, you don't need a warehouse or a shipping label. You create a digital file once, and you can sell it an infinite number of times. This is the ultimate passive income model. You can literally make money while you sleep, travel, or focus on your day job. The market is exploding. The e-learning and digital content industries are projected to grow massively through 2025 and beyond. People are actively searching for digital solutions to help them get organized, learn new skills, and run their businesses more efficiently. If you want a scalable side income that works for you 24/7, this is the space to be. Now, let's dive into the 10 ideas. First up, digital planners. These are hyperlinked PDF files that users can import into apps like GoodNotes or Notability on their tablets. They mimic a physical planner but with digital convenience. These work because the demand for organization is timeless. Students, professionals, and entrepreneurs are all looking for ways to manage their schedules, goals, and habits digitally. You can create these surprisingly easily using Canva, which has templates to get you started. Just design your pages, add hyperlinks between sections, and export as a PDF. Pro tip: don't create a generic planner. Niche down. A digital planner for content creators, wedding planner, or student study planner will sell far better than a one-size-fits-all version. Number 2, Notion templates. Notion is an all-in-one productivity app that's incredibly popular but can be intimidating for new users. A Notion template is a pre-built dashboard or system that users can duplicate into their own accounts. People buy these to save time and get organized instantly. They're looking for templates for content calendars, personal finance trackers, workout logs, and business management hubs. You can create them directly in Notion itself. Just build out a useful, well-designed page, then make it shareable as a public template link. You can sell that link on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. Pro tip: create a suite of interconnected templates. For example, a content creator's business kit could include a video planner, a sponsorship tracker, and a social media calendar all in one Notion bundle. Third on our list is Canva templates for social media. These are pre-designed editable graphics that people can customize in Canva for their own brands. Think Instagram post bundles, Pinterest pin templates, or YouTube thumbnail packs. These work because small business owners and content creators need high-quality visuals, but often lack the time or design skills to make them from scratch. You simply design the templates in your own Canva account and then share a special template link that allows buyers to edit their own copy. It's one of the best digital product ideas for beginners. Pro tip: bundle your templates for higher profit. Instead of selling 10 Instagram post templates for $5, sell a bundle of 50 posts, 20 stories, and 10 reel covers for $30. The perceived value is much higher. Idea number 4 is printables. These are digital files designed to be printed at home by the customer. This category is huge and includes things like weekly calendars, budget trackers, wall art quotes, habit checklists, and even kids' coloring pages. The demand is massive because printables offer an instant, affordable solution for home organization, decor, and activities. You can design them easily in Canva using standard paper sizes, and Etsy is the perfect platform to sell them on due to its massive built-in audience searching for these exact items. Pro tip: focus on seasonal or event-based printables. Think printable Christmas gift tags in November, or printable graduation party games in May to capitalize on trending search traffic. Next up, ebooks and mini guides. You don't need to write a 300-page novel. A 20 to 50-page guide focused on solving one specific problem is incredibly valuable. Think a beginner's guide to sourdough, 30-day fitness challenge, or how to pitch your first brand deal. People buy these for quick, actionable knowledge without the commitment of a full course. You can write the content in Google Docs, then design a professional-looking layout in Canva and export it as a PDF. Platforms like Gumroad and Payhip are perfect for selling ebooks with zero upfront cost. Pro tip: validate your idea first. Poll your audience on social media, or browse forums like Reddit to see what problems people are struggling with in your niche to solve that problem. Number 6 is creating online mini courses. This sounds intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. A mini course is a short, focused course with just a handful of videos that teaches a specific skill or outcome. For example, learn to edit Reels in CapCut, or setting up your Etsy shop in 60 minutes. People buy mini courses for a direct, step-by-step path to a result. You don't need a fancy studio. A simple screen recording with a clear microphone is often all you need. You can host and sell your course on platforms like Teachable or System.io. Pro tip: pre-sell your course. This means you sell it at a discount before you've even finished filming it. This validates demand and gives you cash flow to finish the project. You only need a small, dedicated audience for this to work. Coming in at number 7, we have digital stickers and icons. These are individual PNG files with transparent backgrounds that people use to decorate digital planners or social media graphics, like digital sticker sheets from childhood. Demand comes from the personalization trend in digital journaling and content creation. You can design simple icons in Canva or Procreate and bundle them into themed packs. Seasonal packs like Autumn Cozy or functional packs like Productivity Icon Set sell well on Etsy. Pro tip: offer sticker packs in different color palettes to triple your product offerings with minimal extra work. Idea number 8 is website and landing page templates. As more businesses move online, demand for professional, easy-to-use websites is soaring. You can design templates for System.io, Squarespace, or WordPress using page builders like Elementor. Your customers are entrepreneurs, coaches, and freelancers who want a great website without paying thousands. They plug in their text and images. Pro tip: create a business-in-a-box template like a yoga studio website template with class schedules, pricing pages, and instructor bios. Niching makes you the go-to expert. Number 9 is digital course workbooks and resources. This targets an underserved market: coaches, course creators, and consultants looking for workbooks, slide decks, and resource guides for their clients. Instead of selling to consumers, you sell B2B tools. You can create beautifully designed workbook templates in Canva for entrepreneurs to rebrand. Pro tip: market directly to coaches on Instagram and LinkedIn, positioning your products as time-saving tools that increase the value of their programs, allowing premium pricing. Our 10th idea is productivity dashboards and toolkits. Bundling multiple digital products into one high-value offer. Instead of just a Notion budget template, sell the ultimate finance toolkit, including a Notion template, printable budget sheet, debt payoff calculator, and a mini guide on saving money. Bundles provide complete solutions, boosting perceived value and allowing higher pricing. Pro tip: use System.io to create a simple sales page and automate delivery for a hands-off system. Here are some bonus tips for beginners. Start with one product and focus on making it great. Use templates to save time. Canva or commercial use templates are perfect. Leverage Pinterest for free traffic since it's a visual search engine ideal for digital products. Price strategically. Start lower to get sales and reviews, then increase as products establish. Automate everything with Etsy, Gumroad, or System.io to handle payment and delivery so you can create more products. Realistic income expectations. Digital products aren't a get-rich-quick scheme, but are highly scalable. The first month may bring a few $100s, but as you add products and refine marketing, earnings can grow to thousands or tens of thousands per month. One hit product can gain serious momentum. This isn't trading time for money, it's creating an asset that sells for years, generating passive income. These are 10 digital product ideas to sell in 2025, even with zero experience. Stop overthinking and start creating. Pick one idea that excites you and launch it. Tools like Canva Pro, Etsy, Gumroad, Teachable, and System.io are more accessible than ever and linked in the description. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more content to grow your online income, and comment which digital product you'll create first. Thanks for watching, see you next time, and don't forget to stay in work mode.